Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. No in tubing, we're taking Alice out of her shell.
Maybe up you whenever you pull it up. In a traffic you ready up to the gun. Give anything, me have to go lock it up. Baby girl, just as one of us, so give me some. We pretty baby, she never me touch you. Sit it on the table, feel it, that me up. More you bubble and top it up. So me touch your baby. Fiesta, cars. Rub your body down a bar. Selector, too rude, you deserve detention. Fiesta.
We're going to the beach today, a little girls trip, and we're kind of late because we were supposed to meet up at 12 and it's 11:54.
And we got stuff to get.
And we have to make some stops.
Quite a few stops.
Yeah. But we're leaving now and that's all that matters.
Well, I feel like we're the most on time if we're being honest.
Yeah. You know, there's always that one particular person that's always late.
Right.
Right. Okay, we're gonna play some music now, and I don't want to get copyrighted, so when we reach our first stop, then we'll talk back to you. Okay, bye. Go to ice, guys.
This is one big
clump. Yeah, $850 for a bag of ice. Why nobody never told me that?
Oh, it's here like it can't cost more than
Yeah,
$500.
It can't cost more than $500. $850.
Wishful thinking.
Yeah. Where are we going now?
We are going to get the speaker. Then we're gonna go to the bank.
And then we're gonna go bank.
Yeah.
Drive through Pineapple.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's get going.
At least I get taxi yet. She's so
Look at her
funny. Let me check her
location,
location. No, she's still over there. She's still at home.
That's because she might asking where are we?
Where is Kashima? We are on our way. Just got the ice.
On the camera front.
Hope for my destiny. Got the charge for murder in the first degree. Wanna forget no head. If I have a million, now you have to beg. Me with money from a pussy good, that is a pledge. We're in Ochi, guys. Yay! Damn, we see everybody today. Alright, guys, so we finished our little errands.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna pick up the rest of the team.
Pick up time.
Yeah.
Don't stop us anything. You know they
I'm
really
utilizing in my horn.
They have to promote me to my wrath. Promote me to my wrath.
Sometimes I forget that people exist outside of high school.
Same thing.
Like when I see people outside of high school, I'm just like, ooh.
And I'm not gonna say hi.
You still the boat? No, sir. We are gonna make 4 in a boat. We're not gonna say no intentional. I don't know you. You don't know me.
Exactly. We never talked in high school.
I don't know who you are. You should tell her to come outside. Vlog.
What's your name?
This is Kashima, guys. Yeah, hi, Alyssa. Hi. I suck at updating this vlog now. We're up on a boat now. We're on a boat. We're going parasailing, right, Kashima?
I can't swim. Already.
You can't swim?
No. I thought you would
Got your back? You can't swim either. Okay, let's go far. Alright. Ah! How you feeling?
Scared because I can't swim.
Excited?
But I'm excited.
How do you feel?
Excited. Nervous.
I just hope you don't go into the water.
Wait, are we gonna win the water?
Like if there's not enough wind.
Not really. Just right here, so.
That's also the boat. So we come sit down on the platform right here, like this. Facing that way. Keep your legs up. One day. taking
And
off
then we're
and
going to
landing.
fly off.
But when you land, if you want, we make it kick some water.
No. Don't let nothing water.
If you want, we make it kick some water.
No, sir, I do that in the bathtub.
What is that?
Hook floating bar. Hook logo. It move. You see the closer to mahogany. Oh.
Look up.
Oh, full time now. Full time. Oh my God. It's recorded.
No, guys. I'm dead. I'm scared for you guys.
You should be coming with us.
No, I'm afraid. Hell no. Ross.
Everybody there wants you. Yeah, what I say. Just keep the legs up and taking off. Yeah?
Okay.
Legs up and taking off. Yeah?
Right. I just changed. It just was before the day. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? Made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through.
This is so nice.
I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. I control you. Control you. Yeah. I control you. Control you. Yeah. Oh, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go faster. I control you. Control you. Yeah. I control you. Control you. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting charge. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe, knowing I like
We're here at the beach now. It's not sunny, but are we bringing the pizza? I'm not bringing that. Should I? No, I'm not bringing that. I need it. Okay. I have it.
Ready.
No, thank you.
Water sports. We have jet car.
You have anklet?
Yeah, bank
For $500, right?
Not local.
Okay, because
$5 for your anklet?
$1,000 anklet.
I'll take one.
For them, but you just get it for 5 come. Put it for them.
Wait, I wish for me not wear my anklet fan. That foot there.
You want one? Let me go turn up the car.
I prefer the Jamaican one.
Jamaica.
Oh, sorry, I told them so atrocious. Many people told them.
You want to check out Marvana?
No.
Hmm?
Yes.
You have the bottle? Oh, yeah.
Alright, who again? Who again? Come.
Well then. You not have no bigger one? This.
You want a bigger one?
Yeah. I don't want to. I don't like it tight.
This way fit them, come. Come on, put your foot right here. Go to the grass.
Oh, the girl. Yes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I want the same color I have in my foot.
Oh, you want the Rasta color?
Yeah.
Good.
Too big.
Here.
I want
This is fit you.
I don't like when it drops so low. I
You want it tight?
I don't like it big. I want it snuck onto my
Huh?
foot.
Alyssa, what is upside down?
Alright, we still come back.
I don't know why it's upside down.
We'll figure it out.
Alyssa, come tubing with us. You never do the parasailing with me. Come tubing with us.
Yes, all we can fit on one.
You have tubing?
Come
We
show
never
we
think it's how the work, CM.
You have tubing?
I never know that. How much for your tube?
1,500. Alright. Let's see their flyer.
Let's see your flyer.
Guys, we can't get more.
You help with the bag then, so.
So they got Joseph's no one way.
Hey guys.
I'm so bad at carrying cards. Just like we said with the tapping thing, I be a card means I already have cash.
So we're gonna go tubing now. Looks like it's gonna rain.
Come there.
The weird on this so. Like him a walk a cubs. No, him stop.
Can we meet him there?
Yeah, come. Hold on.
So, but we have to go carry our phone to get to the
Kishiba has all of them.
All the phones are there.
Alright, let's go. Take off the shoes. Leave in the shoes. You wanna pee? No, leave them. Should I take off my... I'm gonna take off my bottle. Okay, chat.
I only brought 2 grand and it finished. Should I go back?
So who are you to pay back
for me until I go back?
No, I'll pay.
We can pay for you.
So that's supposed to cover.
We're here, guys. We're going tubing, and Alyssa is coming this time, right, Alyssa?
How much for your chair?
Yes, I will.
730.
Okay.
Money just at this
Okay.
Alright, so now let's pack up all that stuff, right?
Yes. We can leave them here, so?
So now, alright, you can't leave them. Let's go in here.
Alright. Okay. Okay. We're going tubing. We're taking Alyssa out of her shell.
Let's go for the best.
Yeah.
Just guys, we forget.
What are you afraid of? Okay. This is Kashima before the tube. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Good, feeling great.
Feeling great? Feeling great? Okay. How you feeling? This is Alyssa before the tube.
Nervous.
Okay. This is me before. I'm feeling great. I'm excited. I actually want the tube to turn over. That has never happened to me. That has never happened to me before. This is Marika. No. How you feeling, Marika?
I'm not a big fan of dropping off of the tube, but I'll do it.
Yeah.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Osmo.
Just stand up. I don't want pictures still. Come like I fry yesterday we are walk. I can't reach. Yes, sir. Commercial break. Ready? We're not coming on, guys. We're not come. Your tattoo looks so nice. That's gonna be us. So we're going on. Huh? Oh. What is he saying? Wait.
taxi. When I pay on the money, me disappointed. Me don't want to sell and venture back with me again.
Yeah. Probably for my first time. Might be changing my
Change the kind of money.
Make
You want to get your after?
Make us see.
Alright. Confident.
Good side. I just that scared, so I don't know. What do I do a heart? Anyways, guys, they come down to the boat last I see because we're there for about what? 10 minutes now, and I don't know we can't see the boat.
Yeah.
Jordan, is that you?
Late night for real. One night for real. Death. Hot bitch and she half one beam. Love how bitch if you be my like for real. Clap on me belly, she swear say I'm sick. Put a perk on the glizzy and she so got it clean. Bang up mercs, no free, girl a pretty crook. No say me stage, kiss it diamond ring. 850G, grab it time and test on me veeks. Gonna scholar call me from the screen light. Just on the ounce for the Ochi. Still send the food bar up as grocery. Million cash say.
Hey guys, so the day is coming to an end. It is now 4:16. I mean 5:16. It's now 5:16 and we're just taking some pictures. Photo shoot time. Guys, look at her back tattoo. It's so pretty. Look. Yeah, we're just taking some pics. You don't want any pictures, Marika? Why? You don't want any pictures?
Not really.
Okay. But after this, we're gonna leave. But yeah.
The ones I took earlier, you will do one. Just send them to me.
Okay.
And they'll be stingy.
I'm never stingy. I'm trying to have that Anyways, bye. Say bye. Bye.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular, regular. No. Pretty for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You won't say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Jamaica to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama. Unless you come in with the comments. Or DJ turn the sound up. Cause we're about to pour the rounds up. Jump, 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 jump. You know I have to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 fuck it up, up. You know I have to make it jump, 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 jump.
Until you press it again. So it's a continuous 3 seconds.
Is it going to take the photo
No.
or is it going to restart the camera? Wait, let's see if we can get that.
Let me see.
Yeah, see.
Looks nice. This is my brightness.
It's dark.
Are you supposed to be on the beach with your fresh tattoo?
No.
No, you aren't.
Okay. We go get ready to sleep now. You like the one that I sent you? You want a picture?
Yeah.
Get my phone.
Well, you know I have to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 fuck it up, up. You know I have to make it. They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama. Unless you got me with the